hotel behind, and we are heading into the desert for the desert camp, which is about as far south as we'll be going on this trip. And from there we have a couple of days in the desert, and then from there we go from east to west across Morocco, through the Atlas Mountains to a couple of other places, before then heading up through Marrakesh and Casablanca, and then following the coast up. And hopefully all tarmac. Another oasis in this vastness of desert. And this is how a lot of the people live, within little walls and that, and to keep the sand out. Seen a lot worse. Oasis. Oh. Nobody guiding you. Is this? Oh, no stopping. Why he sat there, isn't it? I was going to stop, take photos, but there's a guard there that said no stopping. So now I've got a car up my arse who wants to overtake me on this blind bend. Honestly, they're unreal. Wow! feels like you're riding through the Grand Canyon, doesn't it? Look where it's flat, look there. Yeah. That's amazing, isn't it? Yeah. Passing through another oasis. People live in all these. Really odd. You live in these mud huts and then you see some with satellite dishes on them and everything. So they've obviously got electricity. Happy unless they're passing the other some on them. And then a mountain lake. So, another oasis. We're running along the top of this. Well, actually, we drop down on that side of it shortly. And in the middle of nowhere, lots of motorbikes. Wherever there's a view, you get motorbikes. It's also an off-course training camp for bikers. 30 degrees now, it's warmed up some more. So, when I saw the bikes here, I knew it'd be worth a stop. Look at this view, you're sat here and you've got all this. Absolutely fantastic. All the bikers are going our way, they're all heading to the desert. There's loads of camps there, goodness knows who's on what camps. Doorway covered in badges. Wonder if there's a road ants badge on here anywhere. Oh yeah, there is. Gateway to the Sahara Desert. So we're guys, the gateway to the Sahara Desert. Finally done it, we're here. Everybody wants the photo took. Quite an accomplishment this is. 32 degree heat today as well. So, making the most of it. Going to go and find the parking for the camp now. All geared up for tourists, bikers mainly. Mind you, I don't know about art selling dresses. Satnav wants to take me up there. I don't think I'll bother.
we go?
Where are we, Michelle?
I have no idea, absolutely no idea.
We're right in the middle of the desert somewhere. It was fantastic Jeep ride. I've never seen anybody go over dunes like that with such skill. Anyway, yeah, look at the size of this. It's got this biggest double bed in it I've ever seen, and then 3 singles. I just hope we ain't got to share anybody else. We've got a bathroom, full back toilet and everything in there. There's a proper shower, and there's plenty of hot water. And I'll show you outside. And this is our camp. There's loads of others staying because we passed them all. They was all coming over on camels. We wanted to just to get here. Dinner's 8:30 tonight. Breakfast, 10:30 tomorrow. We go out on a camel safari all day, including lunch, or most of the day anyway. And how fantastic! And it's a clear sky, so we should see millions of stars. That was one of my main reasons for doing this. And I'm going to show Michelle, if we get time tomorrow, how to sand surf. So, not that I've ever done it.
That will be interesting.
Right, let's hope this video gets to you all. Well, after dinner, which was amazing, 4 courses, which we had in there. Now everybody's up dancing. So we've got up early to watch the sunrise over the Sahara Desert. So this morning we're going on a bit of a camel safari. I've got this off to a tee now. It got a bit range and left me to it. Gonna see how fast I can run soon. It's hot. It's 36 degrees today. Completely covered up, head the lot now. It's a good experience. You alright? I reckon Mama comes her. Just entered a desert camp. I think we're stopping for a break, getting out along the break. Looks like we're going to get a massage. We're going to get a bed shower. Two people on top up there. That's hell of a climb. Having a cup of tea treat. What an incredible road.